Hi friends, so this video shows how to set up Sublime Test 3 for AngularJs web development. You go to sublimetest.com, then click on install for Linux. So I am using Ubuntu system. Then select apt, click on this. So here you can see the steps which we need to follow to install Sublime Test 3. First install GPG key, copy it and execute it in the terminal. Enter the sudo. Okay. Then execute this command to set up to work with HTTPS sources. Then we need to select a stable channel. So select this, copy and paste this, execute it. Okay. Then we need to update the repo. So we need to run apt update, sudo apt update. Okay, so after that we can install Sublime Test. Just execute apt-get install sublime-test. Okay, installation completed. So let me go to activities and type for Sublime Test. Open it. Let me check the version. Okay, it's 3.2.1. So next time I'm going to show you how we can install AngularJs plugins. Okay. So go to this URL github.com angular-ui AngularJS Sublime package. So in this GitHub project you can see how to install it. So first you need to download it. Download the master branch. So you can download it as a zip file. Okay, download has completed. So let me open it. Okay, then right click, then extract here. Then okay, we need to rename this folder. We can rename to any name. Okay, I'm going to rename to AngularJS. Okay, then so you can go through this GitHub readme. So you will understand what is the use of this package. Then go to preferences, packages. Then it will open a directory. So basically we need to copy this downloaded directory to this path. It's in home.config Sublime test path. Okay, so after that we need to restart the Sublime test. So let me start Sublime test. let me add to the favorite so I can easily open it. Okay, after that go to the preferences, package settings. There you can see the AngularJs. Basically you will see that name of the folder here, then the options. So you can try all these options. There is lot of things. You can go through the readme of the project. So this way we can set up Sublime Test 3 for AngularJS web development. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Okay, thank you for watching.